Alright, so that's my Igbo beauty here said. Please teach me how to tie wrapper in different ways. I got you, my darling, because that is why I am here. As the Igbo girl that I am available to helping my fellow Igbo beauties step up their Igbo wrapper style games. Alright, we've gone contemporary now, and I will not have you sticking to the 90s styles. Okay, you need to step up your style game, right, when it has to do with your epic appearances. All right, so that is why I am here. Now let's get straight into business. So first things first, you want to have your straps. Yeah, your wrapper straps, you know what I mean. So in today's video, the style I'm going to be teaching you is what I call the butterfly style. In Igbo language, I call it the enenebe girl style, because I mean this style is super beautiful. It is slick, it is out of the ordinary. It is not your regular style. No. It's something different from what you know. Okay, so I call it the enenebe girl style, and in English it is called the butterfly style. Let's get straight into business. So now these are your two wrapper straps that you're going to be using. One has to be longer than the other. I'm going to explain why. Now this is the longer one. As you can see, it's very long. It's for the upper part. It's for your breast area, right? Please make sure that at every point in time you want to tie your wrapper, you have one longer strap like this and one shorter strap. This is what the shorter strap looks like. This is for the waist area, okay? The lower part of your body. It's not going to be as long as the first one. The first one is quite slim and long, if you observe, while this one is quite bigger, like it's larger because of the waist area. Got it? Now, in the real sense, I always recommend that whenever you want to tie your wrapper, you should start with the lower area first. You should start with your lower parts, your waist first, okay? Reason being that this is the easiest part of tying the Igbo wrapper, okay? This is the easiest part. So you wouldn't want to go through the stress of getting your lovely design on your breast area and all of that, and then when you now want to tie the lower part, you begin to struggle, and in the process you scatter what you have done here. So I always recommend that you start with your lower part first. Start with the easiest one first, which is this. All right, now let's get straight into business. So for the rest of this video, I'm going to be using a voiceover to explain the whole process, just so that I can concentrate and give you the best that I can. I want to give you a very detailed video, so you're going to be listening to the voiceover for the rest of this video. Mwah.
So for the lower part, first things first, you want to make sure that your wrapper is equal on both edges. After you have strapped it around your waist, you want to make sure that they are equal on both ends. And after that, you will now fold the slaps at midpoint before you tie. I don't know if you saw what I did there, but you're going to fold the slaps before you tie. Please make sure that they are very strong around your waist, just so that it doesn't fall off. So the lower part is actually the easiest part of the whole process, and you can actually style this anyhow you want. You can style your lower part anyhow you want. Now the major part of the process is the upper part. Here we go. This is the upper part. Please, like I said before, always make sure that your strap is longer for your breast area, just so that you can achieve multiple styles. If it is short, you won't be able to achieve multiple styles. Your styles are going to be limited. So this style we want to do now, I said it's the butterfly style, then individual style. So now you want to make sure that both ends are equal. See what I'm doing there? You want to make sure that both ends are equal after you have strapped it around your breast. Once you ensure that they are equal, you can now go ahead to tie it. Tie it around your breast, and please make sure that it is very strong. Make sure that it is strong. Tie it 2 times. You're going to double tie it so that it doesn't fall off your breast. Now this is the major part of the whole process. We want to achieve the butterfly style. You're going to have to hold the slap and fold it. See the way I'm folding it? You fold it to achieve that butterfly look, and then you hold the tip of the wrapper, the tip of the edges down. Hold each and every one of them together, and then you're now going to hide it in between your breasts. See the way I'm hiding it now, so it doesn't become visible. Once you've been able to hide it like that, period, you've achieved your first butterfly wing. Now for the second wing, you're going to do the same process. You repeat the same process. Hold the edges and then hide it. Once you've been able to hide it completely, this is what you're going to get, and then you're a beautiful butterfly princess. Now let me know what you think in the comments about this style, and for my Igbo beauties, make sure you recreate this look and tag me. Follow me for more contemporary Igbo wrapper styles. Stop doing boring styles. Bye.